In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Figma. By the end, you'll have a fresh avatar that shows up across your files, comments, and team spaces. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Figma, then click the official Figma website in the results. You can also go directly to the site if you know the address. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account so your changes apply to the right profile. On the Figma interface, look to the top right corner. You'll see your current avatar or a placeholder icon. Click that profile image to open your account menu or profile panel. This is where your basic account details live, including your display name and profile picture. In the profile panel, find the edit option located just below your profile image and click it. This opens the image picker so you can update your photo. If nothing happens, give the page a second to load or check that pop-ups aren't being blocked by your browser. Next, choose an image from your device. A clear, centered headshot works best, and a square or close to square image helps avoid awkward cropping. Common formats like JPG and PNG are typically supported. If your image is large, Figma will handle the upload, but picking a reasonably sized file can make things faster. If a preview appears, use it to make sure your face or logo is visible and not cut off. Adjust the crop or zoom if those controls are available, so the final result looks clean and professional. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save Image. Figma will upload the photo and apply it to your profile. Give it a moment, and then check the top right corner again to confirm the new avatar has appeared. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or navigating to another section and back. Occasionally, cached pages take a moment to update. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Pick a simple background to keep the focus on you, avoid text that becomes unreadable at small sizes, and make sure you're editing the correct account if you use multiple logins. If the Save button is disabled, double-check that you actually selected a file and that it's a supported format. That's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Figma. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated look across your projects.